What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look here this morning. Aerodrome Finance slash the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart. We'll drop into a 3-minute chart as well. It is the 24th of October. Wow, another red day yesterday with a decent reversal off the bottom here for actually a lot of the markets, including Aerodrome and Bitcoin. Let's jump into it, guys. So welcome to the channel. Well, we made it down to the level of 110. That's 1.107 yesterday. Let me show you this on the 3-minute time frame. So here we are on the smaller time frame, the 3-minute. If you want to see another perfect level of support coming into play below the market, take a look at this. Unbelievable. We bounced exactly at that level and have moved higher. This is exactly what I mean when I talk about levels below the market acting as market support, levels above the market acting as potential market resistance. And I had a comment, I don't recall the viewer's name at the moment. It was, now that we have bounced off of 110, 1.107, can we expect X next? My answer to that is always, we don't know how long it will hold at that level. So for example, if we take a look here, when the market topped out at 144.69, yeah, we traded all the way up to a level of 148. But the resistance level I had is at 144. So we can see the markets move below support levels and above resistance levels, but usually we'll get a close back below or back above that level, depending on if it's higher or lower. So we don't know how long this will act as support. This could fade today, which is Thursday. This could fade today, and we could end up being back below 110, taking us down to 106. We just don't know. It's been many days. I believe it's 9 or 10 days now where 144 has acted as resistance. Again, we just don't know how long that'll hold. Once we start to rally again, if we rally again, we'll probably break above 144. So that's the unknown factor. That's X, which equals unknown. We just don't know how long that will hold. We expect it to hold for, briefly as it meets that, which it did, and it traded up. So that is that. What a sight to see. 110 came into play perfectly. We were talking about it. And, here it is, guys. All right, so also that same viewer, I don't recall his name. It's in the comments on probably yesterday's video. It was, can we expect higher prices? Well, I always say this as well. We want to see this market, Aerodrome Finance, stop making daily lower lows. Okay? We have lower lows going back to the 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Again, today's the 24th. Today we have a daily higher low. So, we'll see how we close today. We'll see. And then, we can talk about, all right, hey, maybe we are in rally mode now. Maybe this market's ready to rally back up to, call it 128, 129. But if this market fades today and we end up, back down to 110 or even make a lower low, we just don't know. It's hard to trust that when the market continues to make new daily lower lows. It's the same as if you're trying to short the market and the market continues to make new daily higher highs. That's not on the side of the market that you want to be in. So if you're trying to short it and the market continues to make new daily lower lows, that's the side of the market you want to be on. Once that stops, be careful. The music stops, you better find your seat. The same with daily higher highs. If you're trying to short it, but the market continues to go against you and make new daily higher highs, be careful, okay? Anyways, so we're going to start off. We want to see a daily higher low take place. And we have that right now. We're pretty far off the lows. So today could be the day. And if that takes place, that'll say, hey, look, maybe the selling, it'll tell me, hey, mate, look, maybe the selling is over for now. And let's start to look at higher price targets. Let's start to look up in here, probably above 156. Again, we'll be back with those. That's what I'm going to wait for. I'm going to see how today plays out, and then we'll come back with some new some new higher price targets, not daily higher price targets. But I mean, 144 perfect top, 110 perfect bottom. Again, that might not be the bottom. It is for right now, just like 144 might not be the top. It is for right now. That will change over time. Either one of these will change or both of these will change given enough time. So if we go back to, let's see, our 61 breakout zone, you're up about 89, 90% still from that 61, 62 breakout zone. And if you're new to the channel, that breakout zone was right here above this resistance line, this descending trend line. That's when the market broke out, tested it, and then went on to rally. Ultimately, obviously, we have our top right now, 144. Nice support at 110, and we're trading at $1.16. That's that, guys. So pretty much nothing else to take away from this. Keep your eye on yesterday's lows. Keep your eye on the $1.10. If that starts to break, we could be heading down to 106, 104. Don't think we'll be down to 98, but it's possible. If today gets ugly, anything's possible. So those are the levels. But right now we have nice support at 110. We just don't know how long that will last. It might be broken today. If we print a daily higher low today, we're going to start to look at the market rallying, and we'll start to talk about new upper price targets. And like I said, probably above 156. If I had to take a quick guess here, probably somewhere up in here. But we'll have that more narrowed in once we get today's close, on today's candle's close. So that is for the Aerodrome Finance / United States dollar pair. Again, trading at 116, daily chart, 3-minute time frame. And the price data is from Coinbase. Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, again, reversed along with the rest of the markets basically yesterday off the lows. Found some nice support near where this top was here. Let me get rid of this box so you can see the chart better. We didn't make it down to 64,375, although we were well on our way. Kind of happy the market's reversed. Otherwise, today could be real ugly, at least this early, but it's not yet. Anyways, who knows what will happen throughout the day. We have a daily higher low today. We'll see how we close. Resistance came in at 68,748, one of our levels. And if we take a zoom out here on the Bitcoin chart, this is the Coinbase chart as well, guys. Bitcoin is just in nothing but a long sideways with a downward bias consolidation. We're getting close to the upper end of that range. I hope we get a breakout one of these days above the 72, 73,000, taking us up towards the high 70s, 80s. Maybe we get into the 90s and 6 figures. But right now we're just, any of these rallies, we could be at any of these points right here to the upside. And here we are again. Found resistance at this 68,748 back in July. And then that led to a pretty aggressive sell-off. So we'll see what happens, guys. That's just where we're at right now. Again, we're going to keep our eyes on the daily higher low, which we have at the moment. Whether it lasts or not, we'll have to watch that unfold today, Thursday. And that is going to be it. We have Aerodrome up 0.73% today. Bitcoin is up 0.5% today. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Again, keep your eyes on today's market for a higher daily low. And we'll go from there. We'll try to get back at some point later today with an update. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the channel, guys. Of course, not financial advice. All links are down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.